Filling up the community fridge. Got nephew in the building, cousins in the building. We outside. It's a beautiful day in Mattapan. It's hot. It's hot. I hope everybody takes today as a blessed day to just spend time with family, close friends, stay out the way. Keep that positive energy. Bless somebody today, this week, tomorrow. You see they out there cleaning out the fridge. It's only right. Can't keep piling stuff in here and not cleaning up, man. Big blessings to cuz for this, man. Holding down the hood. The hood gotta eat. You gotta eat clean. No nasty. We don't do nasty. We don't do nasty. Pull that last jar out.
Throw some water in that.
She got it. Eric, throw the water up on there.
No. It's not gonna.
Splash it up good, man. Splash it up good. Don't be afraid to throw upon there, man. Throwing away garbage food, man. Get it up out of there. Blessing the hood. We outside. We outside, you don't know. Oh man, throw that cake away, man.
Yeah, this is so trying to garbage.
That cake ain't no good.
She said, put the strap.
Put it right here. Outside. Like that t-shirt, kid.
It's a community collaboration, you know. People understand themselves. That's the problem with black people. You don't understand on themselves. Yeah. Take me on to it. Wow. Collaboration, man. That's all it takes, man. Everybody want to complain about something, but they ain't doing nothing.
That's the guy who used to clean it.
Oh, yeah?
He's sick.
He's sick? Okay.
So we
That's
take
the guy,
over
yeah.
for him.
We're gonna help him out.
He used to clean it.
Word. We're gonna help him out. Thank you to him. Blessings to
He
him.
used to clean it. Maybe it's been 4 days or 5 days and stuff. Maybe he's
Oh
sick.
yeah, maybe. Hopefully he's taking a rest.
Yeah, no,
You need
maybe
rest
he's
too.
sick because he always every day.
Yeah.
Every single day.
Yeah.
Go there.
Here, put this in there. Here, this is meat. It need to go in there.
Yeah, here, up here.
No,
Any old stuff in
down
there
there.
that gotta come out?
Sandwich meat. Put down the bottom. Get that off the hot pavement. Throw
Just
it up
dump
in
it.
there.
Just dump
Yeah.
it.
They're right in there. You
Right
put that
in
right
there.
in there.
Because you don't need refrigeration.
That's
for
shelf
that.
stable food.
Yes.
It has a date on it that can stay on the shelf for a certain amount of time.
Take that.
Just put it on the top shelf right there, Ma. Just put it on right there.
It can't fit.
Right there. Why are you putting it
Well, pick it up. Pick it up.
right here?